Hello and welcome back to another West Country Tech video. In this video we will be taking a look at another Arla farm. This farm is part of the Arla 360 program, and as part of this they require cameras. On this site we installed 4 cameras, all selected for specific purposes. The first we installed in the milking parlour, and for this we chose a turret camera. This camera has a fixed position and has a wide angle lens so it can see the entirety of the parlour in front of it. The second we installed was for security purposes. We installed a bullet camera here, and it is perfect for exterior areas of a site with a fixed position, covering the entrance to the site as well as the entire yard. Then, as well as those, we installed 2 PTZ cameras, the first on the corner of a rear shed. This gives it a view over the entire rear of the property, and because of its movement capabilities, also some of the cattle sheds as well. The other PTZ was installed for the purpose of monitoring the calving shed. It has the ability to both zoom as well as move, so it can monitor the entirety of the calving shed as well as the yard to the rear. All the signals from the cameras are sent wirelessly across the yard via our wireless links back to the recorder. The images from the cameras can be viewed on either the monitor we installed or on the smartphone app. So that's 4 cameras installed across the site. 1 in the milking parlour, 1 on the corner of the shed, 1 covering the front of the site, and another in the calving shed.